Hello guys and welcome back. So today we'll be discussing an interesting topic. The topic we'll be discussing is, at this point, crypto crash is inevitable. You'll be amazed. So guys, make sure to watch it until the end. So let's get into it. What's an investor to do as crypto enters another stage in 2021? Free fall, featured by decreases in everything from Dogecoin, Doge USD, 0.06% to Ether, ETH USD, 1.09%. Crypto values are imploding, if not crashing, clearing out more than $1 trillion in esteem since the top for the computerized resource complex in May. Coinbase opened up to the world on April 14, 2021, to much exhibit and publicity. It was viewed as crypto's acknowledgement into the standard. That very day, Bitcoin arrived at an unsurpassed high of generally $64,000. It has been a bloodbath since then for both crypto and Coinbase. However, Coinbase shares took off to as much as $429 on exactly the same day the crypto trade did an immediate posting of its shares from that first day sugar high. Coin's shares are now down almost half. Bitcoin has likewise been sliced down the middle in the course of recent months, shortly falling beneath $30,000 Tuesday morning. Ethereum is over half of its highs from early May. Numerous other crypto assets have fallen considerably further, with various tokens down 70% to 90% in esteem. In case you're new to investing in the crypto space or just intrigued since costs have fallen considerably, there are various exercises we can detract from the current crash. The most recent fall, showing Bitcoin bringing down by basically 5% on the most recent 24 hours, July 20th, comes after alerts that proceeding with worldwide crackdowns on cryptocurrency mining activities and trading worldwide could be proceeding to torment the market with more noteworthy degrees of unsteadiness. Bitcoin's most recent dive to values underneath its $30,000 edge has undulated across the market, with costs of other significant cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, and even stablecoins like Ether likewise trading down today. This follows a dive for financial exchanges in the UK, Europe, and the US yesterday, as the most recent lift in coronavirus limitations in England reinforced monetary worries as coronavirus cases rise and the Prime Minister Boris Johnson holds up at checkers. As of 12 p.m. on Tuesday, July 20th, Bitcoin's cost was fluctuating around $29,789, having arrived at a new low for July of $29,368 at not long before 11 a.m. as per CoinDesk. This put Bitcoin as down as 5% in the most recent 24 hours, dropping by nearly $4,000 in esteem since last Tuesday, July 13th. Preceding this current, Bitcoin's most recent plunge on Thursday, July 8th, saw the cryptocurrency floating around $32,285. Bitcoin's underlying shock fall happened keep-going month on Tuesday, June 22nd, when, in the wake of drifting around $30,000 edge, the coin's worth dove to a new low of $28,814.75 that evening. From that point forward, the cash has bounced back and figured out how to drift upwards once again, yet its cost has stayed in the low to mid-30,000s. The new dive saw its most elevated worth so far, this time of $64,000 in May, nearly cut down the middle, with pundits notice in late June that the plunge to under $30,000 could prompt a sharp ascent in sell-offs and more individuals declining to hold their positions. Ethereum costs were likewise down today, with the coin ordinarily moving pair with Bitcoin coming around more than 6% in cost as it came to $1,723.78 at 10:59 a.m. on Tuesday, July 20th. A well-known cryptocurrency inseparable from the rising crypto pattern of NFTs, Ethereum recorded a 24-hour high of $1,870.07 starting at this evening, down extensively from its standard $2,000 limit and untouched high of $4,382.73 in May's cryptocurrency blast. The publicity encompassing mainstream meme coin Dogecoin has kept on showing diminishing values and battled to float any expectations of arriving at an eagerly awaited $1 edge, which the coin came nearest to in April as its value took off to $0.683796. Evaluating cryptocurrencies, Christopher Gray, fellow benefactor at CapLinked, an enterprise software company, identifies three areas that investors should focus on prior to placing their money into the asset class. The first one is insight of founders and project teams. The universe of cryptocurrencies and blockchains might be nascent, yet its roots lie in established industries. For instance, Ethereum's smart contract tokens are used to associate elements inside established industries. As such experience matters. In the event that a project colleague has no crypto or blockchain experience, an investor should ask, how does what they've done before make them qualified for this project? Have they essentially been associated with the same industry? Says Gray. Investors should also pursue the terms of offerings. Two significant points to consider in this respect are the sum raised and the amount of it accrues to investors. Conventional metrics applied to stocks don't apply in this assessment. This is because cryptocurrency markets are a reversal of typical market paradigms in that founders may ask for financing before they have a sustainable customer base or item traction. Why are cryptocurrencies down? The drop comes in the midst of a developing crackdown on cryptocurrencies in China, where authorities in the southwest province of Sichuan requested Bitcoin mining projects to close. The State Council, China's cabinet, as of late pledged to brace down on mining and trading as a feature of series of measures to control monetary risks. While data on mining is scarce, creation of Bitcoin in China accounted last year for about 65% of worldwide creation, as indicated by data from the University of Cambridge. Sichuan is its second biggest producer. The crackdown on Chinese miners may imply that they are offloading coins into a slight market and taking us lower, said Ben Sebley of London-based crypto firm BCB Group. China's central bank said it has summoned some banks and installment institutions as of late, encouraging them to get serious harder on cryptocurrency trading. Agricultural Bank of China, Agbank, China's third largest lender by assets, said separately it was following the People's Bank of China's direction and would lead due ingenuity on clients to uncover criminal operations including crypto mining and transactions. Companies that mine Bitcoin, an energy-intensive process, regularly hold enormous inventories of cryptocurrency, with any moves to sell huge amounts depressing prices. Following the move, countries like South Korea also swore to handle the rise in illegal tax avoidance occurring by means of cryptocurrency, while the Metropolitan Police reported that it had successfully closed in on a colossal UK cryptocurrency tax evasion activity. On July 13, the Met proclaimed that special investigators had made the UK's largest cryptocurrency seizure at this point, and one of the world's largest seizures, seizing an astounding £180 million worth of cryptocurrency. Thus, cryptocurrency exchange platforms such as Binance have been feeling the warmth across the world as regulators and governments have started to consider the operations of such platforms in the wake of the worldwide crackdown on crypto. Which cryptocurrencies will survive? A decent spot to start is the main 20 most traded cryptocurrencies. It's sufficiently easy to determine some prominent survivors in this listing when a crash does happen in cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency and is fast rising as a store of significant worth. Its blockchain and code base spawned offshoots such as Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. Both are aligning to turn into the favored cryptocurrency for everyday transactions. Ethereum's universe of decentralized applications, or dApps, is fast acquiring traction and is responsible for a slew of tokens such as Populous, which are working off its foundation. Others, such as Dash, have also staked similar claims and have cut out niches in developing markets such as Zimbabwe and created economies like Spain. Neo may end up being the surprisingly strong contender. It is focused on the smart economy and is working closely with the Chinese government to develop the cryptocurrency ecosystem inside the country. It has also declared a strategic partnership with Microsoft China and has worked with the likes of Japan's Ministry of Economy. Dropping down the list, in any case, shows cryptocurrencies where investors will require higher risk resistance. For instance, Tron, a cryptocurrency that surged as of late, does not have an item set up and its organizer is moderately unpracticed. Similarly, Request Network claims to be simply the eventual fate of commerce. However, that vision itself is really a new pivot from one for an online money transfer aggregation service. The cryptocurrency's white paper announces different use cases for its coin, from the Internet of Things to online payments and executing business logic for government laws. Be that as it may, the startup has precious little to show via partnerships or involvement with those areas. Investing in cryptocurrencies and other initial coin offering ICOs is exceptionally risky and speculative, so make sure to do your own research before investing in any of the cryptocurrencies. Since every individual situation is one of a kind, a certified professional should always be consulted prior to settling on any monetary decisions. So that was all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know your thoughts about the crypto crash in the comment section.